Hi guys, this time I'm going to discuss on how to determine the reactions or support reactions in beam. As shown in this figure, the beam carries 60 kilopound, inclining 60 degrees from horizontal, and 50 key foot or kilopound foot directed clockwise at the free end of the beam, and the beam is supported by a roller at B and hinge at A. The first thing you need to do, you have to draw the FBD or free body diagram to solve the unknown forces. So in this free body diagram, we have three there are three unknown forces or reactions, EX and EY. So there are two reactions at A because the support here is hinge, and at B only one reaction because the support is roller. So to solve these unknown forces, we need to apply or use the equation of equilibrium. So the principle of equilibrium, at any point the sum of the forces or moment is zero, or the net force is zero. So summing up moment at A to solve By, moment at A equals zero. Assume counterclockwise is positive. So By is tending to rotate counterclockwise with respect to A. So positive By times 14 plus another counterclockwise direction, which is 60 cos 60 times 1. 1 is the half of height of the beam, which is 2 feet. The moment must be located at the center of the beam. So from the center of the beam to the outer fiber of the beam is 1 foot. So 60 and then the minus, and that is the clockwise moment, which is 60 sine 60 times the moment arm is 10. Moment arm 10 minus clockwise moment 50 keeps foot, then equal to 0. Solving for By is 38.5 kilopound and directed upward. Then to solve Ay, you can sum up moment at B equals 0, and you can also sum up vertical forces equals 0. So assume vertical forces are positive. Vertical forces, that forces directed upward. Sorry, this is upward forces, upward. Kindly check that in your notes. That is upward forces. So upward forces are positive. So By and Ay is positive. Minus negative force, which is the downward force, 60 sine 60, then equals 0. And then solving EY, that is 13.46 cubes upward. To solve EX, just sum up horizontal forces equals 0. And forces directed to the right are positive. So AX is positive minus the force going to the left, which is 60 cos 60, and then equal to 0. So AX is equal to 30 kips to the right. Thank you for listening.